Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Saxo Bank, SaxoTrader, review my global multi-asset trading experience. Saxo Bank, SaxoTrader is an online trading platform that offers access to a wide range of global markets, including stocks, bonds, forex, commodities, and derivatives. It's primarily aimed at active traders and investors who want a comprehensive platform with advanced tools. Key features include charting tools, research resources, and sophisticated order types. Their website provides details on account types, pricing, and available markets. Saxo Bank emphasizes its robust trading technology and global reach, allowing users to trade across multiple asset classes from a single account. They offer different pricing tiers based on trading volume and account balance, aiming for transparency. While they don't advertise no hidden fees outright, they do provide a detailed breakdown of potential costs. Saxo Bank competes with other major online brokers by offering a wider range of tradable instruments and advanced platform features. Availability varies by region, so check their website to see if it's available in your area. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using SaxoTrader. Getting started was straightforward. The online application process was fairly intuitive. Verification took a couple of days, but that's standard for these types of platforms. Once I was in, I was immediately impressed with the depth of the platform. The interface is definitely geared towards more experienced traders, but I found the tutorials and demo account extremely helpful in getting accustomed to the layout. I primarily focused on trading stocks and forex. Placing orders was smooth and quick, with various order types available. I particularly appreciated the charting tools, which allowed me to perform technical analysis directly within the platform. The execution speed was impressive, even during volatile market periods. One minor drawback was the initial complexity of the platform. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings and customize the interface to my liking. I also had a quick question about margin requirements, and their support responded within a day via email with a clear and helpful answer. The standout feature for me was definitely the wide array of available markets. Being able to trade everything from US stocks to Asian indices all within one platform is a huge plus. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with SaxoTrader. While it has a steeper learning curve than some other platforms, the power and flexibility it offers make it a strong choice for active global traders. That's my overview of Saxo Bank, SaxoTrader, review my global multi-asset trading experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.